The driver of a tractor-trailer was left dangling off the side of a bridge for hours in West Virginia on December 2nd. According to officials, the truck was hauling bricks when it lost control amid a winter storm, struck a concrete barrier, and veered off the side of the bridge. The heavy load of bricks in the trailer was believed to have prevented the entire vehicle from plummeting onto the road below. The driver was trapped 25 to 30 meters above the ground for nearly 5 hours before fire crews were able to rescue him. The driver reportedly walked away without injuries.